ready to launch in 3, 2, 1. When you arrive at your destination, please focus and have fun. Welcome to your future. To learn, just press play.
Welcome back! I have a new and exciting mission for you. We will be using our skills to spell and write words with our focus sound.
Magic Y.
Press pause when you see this symbol and hear this sound. Follow the directions and press play as soon as you're done. Don't waste any time. I want you to be able to earn all of your letters to the secret code to finally find out what the secret message is. Looks like it's time to get started.
Today, you will need your pencil and scissors, but you can put them aside for now. It's time to kick back and relax with a cup of hot chocolate and the Emoji Friends. You will see Emoji Friend letter combinations. Say the sound those letters make and then blow on the hot chocolate. The letters will turn into the Emoji Friend and I will say the sound so you can check your answer. Get ready. Oi. Ew. Ing. Shh. W. Ow. Or. Ch. Ah. R. Today, our focus sound is magic Y. Y can say I, Y can say E, Y can say Y. Help roll the dice. Add the two numbers together. Then we will say our focus sound that many times. Let's do this. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Say the focus sound 5 times.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 39, write the letter H. Above the number 80, write the letter A.
Let's teach our robot how to say the sounds in a word. I will say a word. Then I want you to say the sounds. But each time you say a sound, I want you to move like a robot and stop after each sound. Follow us, say the sounds, and do your best robot moves.
Programming in 3, 2, 1.
First, we're going to do some words when Y says I. Ready? Try. Ready? I. Try. Sky. Ready? I. Sky. My. Ready? I. My. Buy. Ready? I. Buy. Fly. Ready? I. Fly. Dry. Ready? I. Dry. Now we are going to do some words when Y says E. Baby. Ready? A. E. Baby. Dusty. Ready? E. Dusty. Puppy. Ready? E. Puppy. Silly. Ready? E. Silly. Cloudy. Ready? Cloudy. For this part of the mission, you will need your scissors. I want you to cut out the emoji friend in the top corner of your paper. Then, press play when you're finished. Press pause now. Aye, mateys. We're going to use the emoji friend that you cut out to figure out which treasure chest the landlubber is hiding in. Say the sounds in the word, and then place your emoji friend on the number where you think that sound will be. We will unlock the chest together to see if you are correct. Arr!
Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound magic Y is in buy. Okay, let's check. Say the sounds in buy. Ready? I. If you said box number 2, you are correct. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the sound magic Y is in foggy. Let's find out if you're right. Say the sounds in foggy. Ready? E. If you said box number 4, you are amazing. Okay, where do you think the magic Y is in Y? Let's see if you're right. Say the sounds in Y. Ready? I. If you said box number 2, you found it. Say the sounds and put your emoji friend where you think the magic Y is in happy. Let's check it out. Say the sounds in happy. Ready? E. If you said box number 4, you got it. Where's the magic Y in sly? Let's check it out. Say the sounds in sly. Ready? I. If you said box number 3, you are amazing. This time, let's find the magic Y in muddy. Okay, let's say the sounds and find out. Ready? E. If you said box number 4, you really know your stuff. Where do you think the magic Y is in cubby? Let's say the sounds. Ready? E. If you said box number 4, you got it. Where do you think the magic Y is in tiny? Let's say the sounds and find out. E. If you said box number 4, you are a winner.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 56, write the letter P.
Before we write our words with the focus sound.
Magic Y.
We need to review perfect writing position. You will write the nicest and the neatest you have ever written in your life when you do perfect writing position. Just follow these simple rules.
Chairs pulled in. Feet flat on the floor. Sitting up nice and straight and tall. Pencil in one hand, other hand flat on your paper.
Now that you're ready to write, let's get to it. It's time for dance and freeze. We are going to dance, and when the music stops, you are going to freeze. And it will be time to write your word on your paper. Then it will be time to dance again until the music stops and we write another word. Get ready.
Point to the star, sound out, and write the word cry. Sometimes I cry when I get hurt. Cry. In this word, the Y says I. Spell cry and press play when you're ready to check it. The sounds in cry are k, r, I. You spell cry, C-R-Y. Cry. Point to the hexagon. Sound out and write the word fly. Do you want to see the little bird fly? Fly. In this word, the Y says I. Write the word and press play when you're ready. The sounds in fly are f, l, I. You spell fly, F-L-Y. Fly. Point to the oval, sound out, and write the word candy. After dinner, I want a piece of candy. Candy. In this word, Y says E. Spell candy and press play when you're ready. Okay, let's check your work. The sounds in candy are K, A, N, D, E. You spell candy, C-A-N-D-Y. Candy. Point to the circle, sound out, and write the word windy. It is windy during the storm. Windy. In windy, the Y says E. Write the word windy and press play when you are finished. Let's see if you're right. The sounds in windy are W, I, N, D, E. You spell windy, W-I-N-D-Y. Windy.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 24, write the letter P.
I'd like to introduce you to someone. This is our space sidekick, Sam. Say hi to Sam. Hi, Sam. Sam helps you to remember to put spaces in between your words. Sam absolutely loves being read to. Well, mainly because he's a stick and can't talk. Here's what to do.
Number 1, say your sentence out loud. Number 2, say the first word in your sentence. Number 3, write the first word in your sentence. Number 4, say, "Spaceman, I wrote a word." Then Sam says, in the voice of your choice, "Move me over and go back and read it." Number 5, move Sam, go back and read what you wrote, and then say and write the next word. Number 6, do it over again until you are finished with your sentence. Then put your punctuation mark at the end.
Now let's practice writing a sentence with Sam.
Today you will need your pencil and your spaceman. I'm using a marker so you could see it better, but you need to make sure you always write with a pencil. Today we are going to write a sentence with a word that has our focus sound magic Y. We have 4 words with magic Y on our paper already, so we can choose one of those. We could choose cry, fly, candy, or windy. I am going to choose the word windy. The sentence I'm going to write is, "It is windy and rainy in the spring." Let's count the words. Ready? It is windy and rainy in the spring. 8 words. My first word is it. Let's say the sounds in it. Ready? It. First sound, I. And we're going to make it a capital because it is the leader of our sentence. It. And the letter T. Spaceman, we wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is. Oh, a sight word song. Is, I-S. Kind of sounds like a Z, but it is an S. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is windy. E. And we know that Y says E in this word. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is windy and. We know how to spell and. A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And we can use our spaceman to help us with our B's and our D's. This is the letter B, and this is the letter D. You can remember it by A, B, C, D, or you can think of this like the spaceman's bed. At the beginning of bed, it's the sound B, the letter B. At the end of bed, it's the sound D, like the letter D. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is windy and rainy. I think I can fit rainy right there. Say the sounds in rainy. Ready? R, A. I wonder what makes the A say its name in rainy. I'm going to ask my teacher. Excuse me, teacher? What makes the sound A in rainy? Great question, student. It is A-I. Thanks, teacher. R-A-N. R-A-N-E. I wonder if it's magic Y in this word too. Excuse me, teacher, is it a magic Y in the word rainy? Why, yes, student, it is. Great question. Thanks, teacher. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is windy and rainy in. Start at the very edge. In. N. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is windy and rainy in the. We know how to spell the. T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. T-H-E. Stick your tongue out. What's the word? The. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is windy and rainy in the spring. Say the sounds in spring. Ready? S-p-r-ing. And I know that I-N-G makes the sound ing. Spaceman, I wrote a word. Move me over and go back and read it. It is windy and rainy in the spring. And I am done with my sentence, so I need a period. Okay, let's go through our checklist. My sentence makes sense. I'll read it one more time. It is windy and rainy in the spring. Yes, it does. My sentence starts with a capital letter. There it is, capital I. My sentence has spaces. Very nice spaces, thanks to our spaceman. And my sentence ends with a punctuation mark. There is my period. Great job, everybody. Thanks for helping. Now it's time for you to write your sentence. Don't forget to use at least one word with the focus sound magic Y. Give yourself a check mark if your sentence makes sense, starts with a capital letter, has spaces in between your words, and ends with a punctuation mark.
It's secret code o'clock.
Above the number 12, write the letter Y.
If you are working in a group, take turns reading your sentences to each other. Give your friends a compliment about their sentence. A compliment is saying something that they did well, like, I love how you remembered the capital at the beginning of your sentence, or great use of that adjective, or your writing is beautiful, it's so nice and neat. If you're working by yourself, give yourself a compliment. We always want to show compassion and kindness by staying positive. Well, that's it for our mission. Great job, everybody. Signing off until next time.